Memorial Day unofficially kicked off summer 2013, so for today's tutorial, I'll show you how to get this super bright and easy design perfect for summer. I started off with this fuchsia polish that is a couple days old, so it's completely dry. Grab your cosmetic wedge and roughly cut it the width of your nail. Apply the fuchsia and orange polish on one end of the sponge, overlapping the two colors. Then press and roll it onto your nail. If it's not opaque enough for your liking, give it another coat. Now with the three other polishes, dot them into small clusters. You can use each polish's brush or a dotting tool for more control. Let your clusters dry until they've flattened out a bit. Then dip your thin striping brush into some black paint and make 2 circles of small dashes. Don't worry about making them perfect, you want them to look abstract. Give your nails plenty of time to dry and then apply your favorite top coat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions or ideas for my next design, let me know in the comments. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll see you next time.